In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into your Webflow project from a simple Google search, open the designer, and use a code block to add smooth, easy hover animations without disrupting your layout. Start by opening your browser and searching for Webflow. From the results, choose the official Webflow website. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account so you can access your dashboard. This keeps everything straightforward and ensures you land right where your projects live. Once you're in the Webflow dashboard, locate the project you want to work on and open it so you can reach the designer canvas. The wording in your dashboard may say, View or Open. The key is to enter the project in a way that lets you edit its content and structure. If you're taken to a public view, just switch into the designer from the project controls so you can add elements. With the project open in the designer, look to the left-hand toolbar and click the Add Elements icon. This opens the Elements panel where you can insert new items into your layout. It's a great place to build quickly while maintaining consistent structure. If you're unsure where to place your next element, consider selecting a parent section or wrapper first so your new content lands exactly where you want it. In the Add panel's search field, type Code Block. You'll see the code or embed element appear. This is the tool that lets you insert custom code directly into your page. Drag it onto the canvas, ideally inside a div block or section you've already structured. Placing it within a clear parent container helps with spacing, responsiveness, and later edits. Now click the newly added code block to open its editor. Paste the code you've prepared for your hover animations. This might be a small CSS snippet using transitions and transform properties, or a bit of JavaScript to add or toggle classes. Keep things tidy. Wrap CSS in style tags and scripts in script tags, and make sure your selectors match the classes on your elements. When you're done, click Save and Close. Back on the canvas, hover over your targeted elements to confirm the effect feels smooth and intentional. If nothing happens, double-check the class names, the code's placement, and whether the element you're hovering matches your selectors. That's it. You searched for Webflow, opened your project, added a code block, and pasted the hover animation code to bring your interface to life. Thanks for watching, and happy building!